Hello guys, I am Priya Jatia. In this video, I have shown data fragmentation using horizontal fragmentation. Basically, first we need to know what is a horizontal fragmentation. Data fragmentation in DBMS divide the whole data into small chunks. Suppose I have a data divide in form row and column. This is fragment 1, fragment 2 and number of fragment fn. This is a data fragmentation. Types of data fragmentation: horizontal fragmentation, vertical fragmentation, hybrid mix fragment. What is a horizontal fragmentation? Horizontal fragmentation is a horizontal subset of a relation which contain those of tuples which satisfy selection condition. Horizontal fragmentation. As the name suggests, here the data record are horizontal. Like this my data divide in horizontal and data record and data are horizontally divide. Example: horizontal subset of table is create are stored in different database. We create one table name, employee and insert 8 row. I will write query based on the table. Query for horizontal fragment. Select star from employee where salary equals to 5,000. Employee, this is table name. When query run in real time, then check 5,000 salary in table. Employment number at location Pune and create fragmentation. Fragment 1, employee number, salary, location. Check 100, 5,000 Pune, 104, 5,000 Pune. This is fragment 1. This query example of horizontal fragmentation. Types of horizontal fragmentation: primary horizontal fragmentation, derived horizontal fragmentation. First, primary horizontal fragmentation is the process of fragmenting a single table row wise using a set of conditions. In primary horizontal fragmentation, we use basic operators like equal to, less than, greater than, equal to, greater than. Query for primary horizontal fragmentation. Select star from employee where location equals to Delhi. When query run in real time, then check Delhi location. And create fragment. Second fragment. Employee number, salary, location. Location is Delhi location. This is example of primary horizontal fragmentation. Derive horizontal fragmentation. Horizontal fragmentation is from the primary relation is called derive horizontal fragmentation. In derive horizontal fragmentation, we use logical operators like logical operators and, or, not. Query for derive horizontal fragmentation. Select star from employee where location Mumbai. And salary is less than 35,000 and is a logical operators. When query run in real time, the check location Mumbai this, and salary less than 35,000. This then create fragment third, employee number, salary, location Mumbai 25,000 or Mumbai. This example for query derive horizontal fragmentation. Thank you very much watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to share with others. Thank you.